G'day, here's a parcel of knobbies from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules in millimetres. It's been very heavily tumbled, this lot. Gives you the appearance of it being extra rounded pieces. Going a bit closer. Okay, the rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted to help bring out the colours a little bit, highlight the colours. This large piece here is honey potch, and it's got rolling purple flash in it. I think it's coming up there occasionally in the viewfinder. It's should polish, it looks pretty clean through there. Another piece. Other pieces aren't so see-through. Something like this, you just saw and just take a little bit off at a time. Have a look, see what you can find. Purple mauve flash in that. Smaller pieces. Bar crystal sort of material there. There it goes. Greens are showing there. The blues. Anyway, I think there's a few surprises to be had in this. It's another piece of honey potch. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.